You can go. What do you say? Say green light. It's a video. I'm gonna take a video of you all the way down. Show me how you can turn and do red light or yellow light and red light. Okay, and drive your car. Get your hands out. Green light. Good job. Yeah.
Why?
Because she's big enough. Turn. Whoa. Gonna get me. Don't run into the sign or the people. Yellow light. Slow down, Johnny. Yellow. Alright, fine. Okay. Daddy's on the lift. Turn in. Turn, turn, turn. Point your skis. Good job. You did good. Say hi, Grammy. Say hi, Grammy.
Hi, Grammy.